Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how you can lock or make private from public your Instagram account. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you have to open your Instagram account. So I'm going to open my Instagram account, and then in down you will see human icon. Simply click over there, and then on the upper side there will be three lines. Just simply click over there, and then in the down you will find again setting. Simply click that and then click on privacy, and then connection section you will see account privacy. Here you will see private account. If you want to on it, just simply click this on, and then a pop-up will appear, and then just simply click on OK. And right now it's going to be locked, so no information will be shared over the internet or with anyone if they are not your friend list, or like you follow and then they follow back, like that. So if you want to disable this as like before, you can do so. Same way, just turn it off, then ready to go. So it will be come as usual by default looks. So this is how you can lock your Instagram account from public. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.